students, this is biobotany evaluation book back answers. First question, choose the correct statement from the following. Gametes are involved in asexual reproduction. Gametes are not involved in asexual reproduction, or otherwise it can be said as gametes are involved in only sexual reproduction. So A statement is an incorrect statement. B statement, bacteria reproduce asexually by budding. Bacteria reproduces asexually only by binary fission. Conidia formation is a method of sexual reproduction. Conidia formation is not a method of sexual reproduction, it's a method of sexual reproduction. So A, B and C are incorrect statement, whereas the D option, yeast reproduces by budding, is a correct statement. Yeast and hydra are the organisms that reproduces by budding. Next, an eminent Indian embryologist is B option, Pancharal Maheshwari. He is an eminent professor. He is a fellow of Indian Academy of Science. He contributed more to the embryology. Identify the correctly matched pair. Go through the options A, B, C and D. Here tuber, they have given alien sepum. Tuber, Solanum tuberosum. Sucker, it's not Histria, it's Chrysanthemum. And C, Rhizomusa is a correctly matched pair and stored on it's not Zingiber, it's Fragaria. Fourth one, pollen tube was discovered by B option, G. B. Amici. Size of the pollen grain in Myosotis is A option, 10 micrometer. First cell of male gametophyte in angiosperm is A option, microspore. Seventh one, match the following. Extra fertilization is algae. Androecium is fourth one, stamen. Male gametophyte is option number 1, pollen grain. And primary parietal layer is option number 2, anther wall. See, the B option is a correctly matched pairs. Arrange the layers of anther from locus to the periphery. It's D option, tapetum, middle layer, endothelium and epidermis. Let me show you a picture. In pollen tetrad stage, you can clearly see the arrangement: tapetum, middle layer, endothelium and epidermis. This is locus, to periphery is epidermis. Identify the incorrect pair. A, sporopollen, exine of pollen grain. Tapetum, nutritive tissue for developing microspore. A and B are incorrect pairs, where C option, nucellus, have given nutritive tissue for developing embryo. Nucellus is a paracameous tissue, it's not a nutritive tissue. D option, obturator, directs the pollen grain into microbial, it's an correct pair. So C option is the incorrect pair. 10th question, assertion and reason. In assertion, sporopollen preserves pollen in pollen cell deposits, it's a true. Reason, sporopollen is resistant to physical and biological decomposition. So both assertion and reason are true. D option. Choose the correct statements about tenunucellate ovule. Under the structure of ovule, they have explained about a tenunucellate ovule. Here they have given, if the sporogenous cell is hypodermal with a single layer of nucellate tissue around it, it is said to be as tenunucellate type. So the correct statements are A and D regarding tenunucellate ovule. Sporogenous cell as hypodermal is correct statement. Where ovules have single layer of nucellus tissue is also a correct statement. A and D are the correct statements. 12th one, which of the following represent megagametophyte? B option, embryo sac. 13th one, in Haplopappus gracilis, number of chromosomes in cells of nucellus is 4. What will be the chromosome number in primary endosperm cell? It's C option 6. Transmitting tissue is found in striatal region of gynoecium. C option. The scar left by funiculus in the seed is D, hilum. Funiculus na enna illa, it's a stalk. அது டிஸப்பியர் ஆகும் போது ஒரு ஸ்கார் வந்து லீவ் ஆகும், அதான் வந்து ஹைலம். ஒரு பிளான்ட் எக்ஸ் possesses a small flower with reduced perianth and versatile anther. The probable agent for pollination would be B, air. இதனோட characteristics of anemophilous flowers இருக்கும். 17th one, consider the following statement. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷனில் சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா ப்ரோட்டோகனஸ் ஃப்ளார்லாம் வந்து டிஜிட்டல் மெச்சூஸ் ஏர்லியராம். ப்ரோட்டோகனஸ் ஃப்ளார்ஸில் டிஜிட்டல் மெச்சூஸ் வந்து ஏர்லியராம். Ergogamy is not extreme, it's not unisexual, அது வந்து bisexual. Diastral is present in primula, it's a true statement. And first statement வந்து in protandous flowers stamens தான் mature earlier. So 2 and 4 options are correct. So B, 2 and 4 are correct, it's a correct option. Chlorhoriza is found in A option, paddy. Parthenocarpic fruits lacks seed. D option ஏன்னா parthenocarpic fruits அப்படின்னா known as seedless fruit. இதில் வந்து ஓவரி வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஆனால் ஃபர்டிலைசேஷன் வித்தவுட் த ஆக்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபர்டிலைசேஷன்னால ஓவரி வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ இங்கே ஃபர்டிலைசேஷன் வந்து இன்கம்ப்ளீட், அதனால் சீடும் ஃபார்ம் ஆகாது. Usually, ovule becomes a fruit and ovary becomes a seed. In majority of the plant, pollen is liberated in the B2 cell stage. If you do like this video, like and share to other students such that it will be useful for them, and subscribe for further videos related to studies.